Welcome back to Creating with Mimi. Today I'm sharing a breathtaking home makeover that transformed a traditional floor plan into a light-filled modern retreat. In about 20 minutes, you guys will get to experience the transformation of the main living room, the kitchen, the dining room, and a fully redesigned downstairs guest bedroom. From structural updates to designer touches, this renovation showcases how luxury and functionality can beautifully coexist. The kitchen had the most dramatic transformation, a complete tear down and layout reconfiguration. This kitchen, I'm not even sure how one could function in it with the planitia. It made it really small and dated. So I wanted to lift the soffit of the ceiling. I did gain some inches from the vertical space. Currently the fridge is here on this wall. I want to move the fridge to this corner. So let me show you what the ceiling looks like. Next, the sink is here and you could see it's off-centered. So I want to move the sink center on the window, move the dishwasher down. So I don't think that those are major issues. And we're going to be demoing the kitchen and adding more countertop space. I removed the planitia that blocked the flow of traffic and created an island to face the outdoor views, making it the new heart of the home. The kitchen remodel was more than just surface update. It required thoughtful planning, strategic changes to maximize the flow and function. Take a listen to what I wanted to do in this space. This is the side right here where I need a minimum of a 10-inch overhang. This side, this end, and this end, I don't want a typical overhang. I only want it to be 1 inch because I need to maximize the space between the cabinet and the island. So once all the demo work was done, the existing opening of the dining room was framed and drywalled, and that gave me the room that I needed to accommodate the fridge. And a custom standalone island features integrated storage, so more storage and prep surfaces that feel both functional and sculptural. The outside areas, the perimeter features all custom cabinetry, maximizing the vertical storage and minimizing clutter. One of the stars of the kitchen, though, is this designer marble backsplash, carefully installed and stretched to the full height. I love the pattern. This chocolate and gray and all of the tones and colors that we are working with, and then the mosaic marble on the outer sides of that, and its herringbone pattern is simply to die for. To break up the cabinetry visually, I added floating open shelves on either side of the new chimney style hood, creating the perfect space for curated styling or daily essentials. This is a nod to, yeah, you do need to keep your kitchen clean and you must put things away. But when you are working with a small space, remove as many cabinets as you can, but still allow function by adding the open shelving. The kitchen now features a suite of newly integrated appliances that blend modern innovation with timeless style. I added this sleek lower cabinet drawer microwave that offers convenience without disrupting the clean visual lines, while the striking chimney hood makes a bold statement and quietly handles the ventilation above the cooktop. Let's talk about the drawer microwave for a moment. I have been installing these for at least the last 10 years. And they're simply gorgeous. It's one of the things that I will be adding to my kitchen remodel whenever I get around to doing it. And it's a feature that works both for elderly when you get older, but also for children. When children are warming up something in the microwave, it is just functionally aesthetic. With the press of the button, it opens and it closes. You guys know I love convenience. All right, the streamlined countertop maximizes the surface space and it ensures easy access for everyday use. I relocated, as I said before, the refrigerator that enhances the kitchen flow and function, while the deep farmhouse sink, perfectly positioned beneath the window, adds charm and making cleanup a breeze. Together, these appliances deliver professionally grade performance and seamless integration into an overall design. These are the things that you want in your kitchen. You really want it to be functional and thought about. And that's one of the reasons why you hire a designer, is to think about these things for you. It's a true investment, yes, in both form and function, without sacrificing beauty. Every element, from the custom island to relocating the appliances to the cooking, gathering, it is a statement of curated materials, and it adds a lasting value on the home while creating a warm environment. The kitchen is often said the heart of the home, and this kitchen does not disappoint. Although we have a formal dining room, I wanted to add dining in this area because it is a transitional area between the kitchen and the family room. Would you guys check out this chandelier above this table? Absolutely love the large bubble globes. It is just timeless. It's sophisticated, contemporary, but yet it does have a traditional twist to it by having the gold metal. I have this chandelier in my home and I simply love it. Let's talk about this living room. The original living room presented a few design challenges. Yes, it did. Most notably, the dated aesthetic and awkward arch openings above the dining area and the entryway to the dining room. These arches, once they were popular architectural detail, visually disrupted the flow and made the space feel compartmentalized, out of sync, small, and extremely dated. The more modern direction of the remodel was what I was going for, and I could not move forward without addressing these elements, and that is exactly what I did. Another dramatic update to this home was the transformation of the original carpeted floating staircase. What was once a dated and uninspiring feature has now become a striking architectural focal point. I replaced the carpet with sleek, luxury vinyl planks that not only elevate the look, but also offer durability and easy maintenance. To complete this transformation, we installed custom iron railings with clean, modern lines, bringing a bold, contemporary edge to the space. The result is a staircase that feels sculptural, sophisticated, and seamlessly aligned with the overall modern aesthetics of the home. Check out the before and after. The key to transforming the room into a cohesive contemporary living area that feels open, intentional, and beautifully connected to the rest of the home. I began in this living room with these soaring 20-foot ceilings, and they are immediately giving the space a feeling of grandeur. And so I definitely need to draw the eye up and enhance the scale. I installed not one, but two elegant chandeliers, layered it vertical to fill up the volume with movement and light. That one wall over there is now a feature fireplace wall wrapped in custom wainscoting for texture and architectural presence. Let's talk about the mobile fireplace. Yes, this is a mobile electric fireplace which gives warmth and ambiance while offering the flexibility of repositioning as needed. A great solution if you are a renter or your space is evolving. I will definitely link this fireplace. I have used it in a multiple of projects. I don't know how many projects that I've used it in, and you cannot tell that the fireplace is not connected to the wall. It literally looks like I have built or installed a gas log or a wood-burning fireplace. Anchoring this living room is a custom white sofa, clean, structured, and upholstered in a performance fabric. Yeah, it is complemented by two blue swivel chairs, perfect for conversation, flow, and adding a punch of color. Rather than using a singular cocktail table, you guys know how I do it. I dropped in two twin cocktail tables that give symmetry, allows more walking, clearance, and it adds a tailored feel to the center of the space. It just brings everything together. Take a look at some of these features that I've added to the living room. I simply adore this space. It is like night and day from the old to the new. Just off of the living room is the dining room, and initially this felt closed in. So yes, this is where I've made that transformation. I wanted to get rid of the arch and widen up this transitional space and create something that was a little bit more dramatic and open and a connection point of the two rooms. I placed an oversized dining table here that comfortably seats 10, ideal for family gatherings and entertaining. Above the dining table, I dropped in a show-stopping 60-inch chandelier, which brings drama and scale. Its airy design complements the height of the room without overwhelming it, tying the entire floor together through layering and lighting. This space was beautifully curated and I simply love it. I did not forget about the guest bedroom. This downstairs suite was transformed into a private, multifunctional retreat designed with both style and comfort in mind. The space now includes a built-in desk and work area, which is ideal for overnight guests who may need to be a little productive and use as a remote home office. To elevate that atmosphere, I placed luxurious grass cloth wallpaper, bringing in the rich texture and warmth while adding a layer of visual depth. Oversized wall art anchors the space with personality, creating a sophisticated focal point that adds both curated and contemporary design. And to elevate this experience even more, I added motorized drapery, allowing effortless, you guys know I love the word, effortless control of light and privacy with just a push of a button, adding that touch of high-end hospitality. Bedding was selected to deliver a tailored hotel-like feel, layered with plush textures, decorative pillows, and elevated details to invite you to sink in and stay a while. So yeah, you guys know my guest bedroom don't look like this. On either side of the bed, intricately carved wood nightstands lend timeless charm and craftsmanship. Yeah, it grounds the room with warmth and character. Guess what? For the ultimate blend of beauty and function, I installed a crystal chandelier that cleverly doubles as a ceiling fan, providing ambient lighting and gentle airflow with all the glamorous twists. This is the wow factor. I have added this chandelier light fixture to I can't tell you how many homes. I have it in my own home and I simply love it. It is gorgeous. I will link this too, so don't worry guys. I'm going to give you all the deets and link everything that I can. This guest suite now offers an effortless sense of luxury and convenience. The result, yeah, a guest room that feels like a space and more like a boutique getaway, a welcoming, elevating, and thoughtfully designed for real living. Initially, this room to me, it felt like the throw everything in this room, and I'm not even really sure how it was a guest room or how it was a room for anybody to sleep in there, but apparently it was. So I understood the assignment, and my job was to turn this into a luxury oasis. You guys, check out the before and after of this space. This transformation proves that every inch of your home can feel intentional, beautiful, and personalized. If you like this video, hit that like button or subscribe. You will be notified each time there is a new upload. Until next time, make every day a great day.